Hey guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Did you know that it pays to have friends? That's right. In this video, we'll be talking about the ChainEX Referral Program. What is the ChainEX Referral Program all about? The referral program is designed to reward ChainEX users for inviting new users to the ChainEX exchange by paying them a percentage of the trading fees paid by the users they referred. This means that each time one of the users you referred performs a trade, you will be awarded a percentage of the fee they paid on the trade. But that is not all. If you referred a friend to ChainEX and they referred another friend, you will get paid a percentage of those trading fees as well. Earning referral rewards from the users that you referred as well as from the users that they referred is possible up to 4 levels. The percentage of the fees which can be earned from referral trades is as follows. Level 1. 16% of the trading fees. Level 2, 8% of the trading fees. Level 3, 4% of the trading fees. And finally, Level 4, 2% of the trading fees. For more in-depth explanation regarding the referral program, go check out our ChainEX blog post or any of our referral program knowledge-based topics. All of these links can be found in the description. So how can you refer a friend, you ask? It is really easy and simple to do. First things first, you'll need to sign up to ChainEX by heading to chainx.io/register. If you have already signed up, excellent! Welcome to the ChainEX community. You'll need to sign in by heading to chainx.io/login. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the referral page, which can be found at chainx.io/refer, or simply by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner. As you can see on the referral page, there are a number of ways and options you can freely use to invite as many people as you would like. Let's begin at the top and go through all the possible ways you can refer a friend. Over here you can find your personal referral code. When a user signs up, they can enter this code in the referral code field on the sign up page and sign up. Below that you will see your personal sign up link. If a user signs up by clicking this link, well done, you have referred a friend. You can also invite a friend via email. All you need to do is enter the valid email address of a friend and click send. A ChainEX email will be sent to the said email address with your personal sign-up link. The final option is by inviting a friend via social media, by clicking either the Facebook or Twitter button. A social media post will be sent on your behalf to said social media page. And that's it! You see how easy it is to refer a friend and make some extra money on the side? It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you liked this tutorial video, give us a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave a comment below. And remember, it pays to have friends. See you guys in the next one. Bye!